This is the sniper trade of the day for June 29th, 2026. We're looking at our favorite symbol, SOXL, the triple leverage semiconductor ETF, using 10-minute bars. Box number one, the black box, shows the high and low of Friday. The VWAP is the yellow line in the middle, the volume weighted average price. At 2, at the close, you see the last 30 minutes of price action. We use that as a reference box. At 3, we see that the gap this morning was negligible at the yellow dot, so it opened right there. So we frame the opening range 10 minutes with the green box, and we're ready to play a breakout. At 4, we get the breakout not only of the green box, but also violating the low of Friday, so we get short. We use a standard risk box of $5. At 5, the trade is 3R in hand and has started to reverse. We take the 2-bar exit at 6. We take a 1, 2, 3 reversal entry at 7 in the usual way, with a stop just below the turning point in the RL10. It's the same standard risk box as the first trade. When it breaks above the daily high at 8, we add a second position. We get 2R in hand. At 9, it breaks out above the previous day's high, so we add by rule at 9. It's starting to stall. You see the RL30 rolling over. We take the violation of the pinch in the dragon there at 10 in the late afternoon. And it closes at 11, a significant move above the VWAP of 12. That's usually an indication of interest in opening that thing higher and trading it up during the evening session. So that's tempting for swing traders, but we were content to take home a pretty nice trade in semiconductors. That's the sniper trade of the day. Ken at Tortoise Capital, part of owlgrouptrading.com. Check us out. Learn how we do it. June 29th, 2026.